So friends, this rice water hair mask is going to give you really amazing results if you use it again on a regular basis. So keep spraying this rice water in between at regular intervals on your hair, and it will reduce all your hair related issues. It will reduce hair thinning and induce hair growth. Now another hair mask which I'm going to tell you, or it's basically a hair oil also you can call it. What you have to do is you have to heat coconut oil or just warm it for some time, and you have to add a few ginger pieces to it. Now finely chop the ginger pieces. So friends, now we saw 2 to 3 preparations in the earlier part of the video. Now I'm going to tell you one more preparation. That is the ginger hair serum, as I was telling you. Heat some coconut oil or just warm it and add the finely chopped ginger pieces to this. Now strain this mixture, friends. Apply it externally over your hair and your scalp. This ginger hair serum is also excellent, and it will help you visible results in a few days. You can store it for a few days and use it regularly. It will help you in hair growth and making your hair thicker. Now one more mixture, natural homemade preparation I'm going to tell you, which is very good for your hair, is methi seeds mixture. This, as I told you in the earlier diet part for hair, in that video I told you that you have to soak methi seeds overnight. Similarly, in this preparation also you have to soak the methi seeds overnight, and in the morning strain the mixture. Now the water will absorb all the nutrients, and you can see the color of the water will be changed in the morning. So it will be absorbing all the nutrients in the methi seeds, and you have to fill this mixture in a spray bottle, the strained water. And you have to, at regular intervals, you have to spray it on your hair. You can apply a mixture of castor oil and coconut oil. It is going to act as a great mixture for inducing hair growth, or it will, give your shine to your hair if your hair are looking dull or they are, lifeless. Apply this mixture overnight and wash it in the next morning with a herbal shampoo. Coconut milk is another very good natural ingredient which you can use externally on your hair. You can mix some coconut milk, and you can add some some amount of rice flour water to it, and you can use this mixture externally for great hair. And you can even use it as externally as a kind of a hair serum. So this mixture is going to give you really good results. Now friends, in case of shampoos, as I told you earlier, don't go for chemical shampoos, as they contain a lot of harsh chemicals and they break the polypeptide bonds in the hair. So these polypeptide bonds are basically amino acids, which are again in turn proteins. So they are going to break these bonds and damage your hair to a great extent. So you have to keep these polypeptide bonds intact in your hair. So go for herbal shampoos like those which contain Rita Amla and Shikakai. Again, Amla juice also is a great juice to be had internally also, and Amla oil can be applied externally for great hair. So friends, I think I have told